Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta and sauce. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta, a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, some fresh garlic and onion, and a few common seasonings. Don't forget a good quality olive oil. This easy guide will help you create a delicious and comforting meal in under 45 minutes. Now, let's get started on that amazing sauce. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Sauté your finely chopped garlic and onion until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Let it simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. While your sauce is simmering, it's time to cook the pasta to perfection. Grab a large pot and fill it with 4 quarts of water. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt to the water before bringing it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once boiling, add 1 pound of your chosen pasta, stirring immediately to prevent sticking. Cook it according to the package instructions, typically for 8 to 12 minutes until it's al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. The final step is bringing it all together for a truly satisfying dish. Once your pasta is drained, transfer it directly into the pan with your simmering sauce. Toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems a little too thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve the perfect consistency. Garnish with fresh basil leaves or a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately and savor your delicious homemade pasta and sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.